To prevent coating sagging, AEROSIL can control the flow behavior of coatings to achieve a perfect finish, and can even improve scratch and abrasion resistance. Previously, AEROSIL needed to be incorporated using an intensive grinding process, but not anymore. With our latest easy-to-disperse product series, AEROSIL offers the same rheology control you trust, but without the time-consuming grinding phase, making your manufacturing process faster, cleaner, and at a lower cost. Accessing the calculator is easy. Just go to www.coatino.com. Your potential energy and monetary savings update with each new calculation. There are 4 different menus for the calculator: process parameters, overhead costs, volume and substitution costs, and your savings overview. Compare and adjust your own process duration and energy consumption. Every cell can be changed individually. Enter your individual energy and emission costs. Include product substitution in your calculation and define production volumes. The description text will change immediately based on your defined values. A comparison of your savings is made for your review. You can also see your annual savings instantly. Want to share your results? Simply log in to create a personalized sharing link for colleagues or customers. Especially for clear coatings, this is a huge advantage. Find out what AEROSIL can accomplish for you. Visit COATINO.com today and access our calculator for free.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.